it's Professor L with I Think Algebra, and I have my special friend, Alge. Hey, Alge. She's not talking today. I didn't wake her up. Wake up. Hello, Alge. So earlier, Alge and we were talking about solution of equations. So we was talking about if we had an ordered pair, and if we was given this ordered pair, -1, -9, and we wanted to see if it was a solution to this equation. I'm going to put you to nap. Bye. Nappy time. Just going to put her down for a nap. So we was discussing equations and seeing if an ordered pair is a solution to an equation. Now we know that an equation has an equal sign. Expressions do not have equal signs. Equations have equal signs. So we want to know if the left side is equal to the right side, because when you have equations, it tells us that two things are equal to each other. So the left side is equal to the right side is equal to the left, to the left, to the left, to the right, to the right. So we need to determine whether -9 and -1 and -9 is a solution to this equation. So let's see. Let me get a different color marker here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take away the y and write -9, because with an ordered pair we have x and we have a y, and just going in order based on our equation, we have y first, so I'm going to replace that first, and then I'm going to do the x. But you can start with x, replace the x with the -1, and then replace your y with -9. It depends on how you feel. I mean, you like to do the left side first or the right side, whatever side you want to do. If you want to start with x, you like x better than y, it doesn't matter. You can do you. In math, you can do you as long as you follow the rules. So now y is -9. And now I'm going to replace the x with -1 minus 2. So on this side, where I have the -9, the left side, everything is simplified. There's nothing I need to add or subtract. I just have a -9, so it's cool. On the right side, I don't know, right, your left, my right, and on this side right here, I replaced the x with -1. So now I have -1 times the 7. So that becomes -7, and I have a -2. So, most of the time you read it as -7 minus 2, but it's actually saying a -7 and -2. So when I have a -7 and a -2, I get a -9. Negative all big. -9. So -9 on the left side, I have -9 on the right side. So two things are equal. The left is equal to the right is equal to the left. So this is a solution. Hallelujah. 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 Let me wake up my friend. Wake up. Wait. Don't do this at home. Don't beat up your pets. So, Alge, we went over solutions to an equation. And before I go, you can take this same equation right here, and I'm going to give you a new ordered pair to put in there. And you can do it and write it in the comments, and I would respond if it's correct or not. And if you need to see it, shoot me a comment that you need to see it, and I will do it for you. So that's, I think, algebra. That's our time. We're about to go and do some more talking about math. You want to talk about math? I want to talk about math. You want to talk about math? Oh, now she's trying to act like she's asleep. You're not asleep. You see this? You see this? See you on the flip. La 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 la.